guys, Jeff the Nature Guy, and you know, we've gotten a lot of questions. Do we have a new lynx? And no, we don't. What you're seeing is Fierca. But here's the thing, she's in her winter coat right now, so she looks absolutely huge and a little round, but believe me, that is natural. Obviously, as you guys know, wintertime here in Montana means some pretty extreme temperatures, and the animals that are native here, they have to be built for that. So lynx in particular, they get this incredible giant winter coat, obviously to survive the wintertime here and stay warm in that extremely cold temperature. And of course, you guys know that these guys have these giant feet here that act as snowshoes, so she can run on top of the snow and chase her favorite food, which just happens to be snowshoe hare. Now, their fur is cool, but it's nothing that incredible compared to some animals like the Arctic fox or the feathers of the ptarmigan, which is a really cool bird, where they will actually change from brown to a white color in the wintertime to literally blend in with the snow. They completely change their look. Some of these transformations these animals go through in the wintertime is striking, but I wanted to show you Fierca in person because I just wanted to show you how much bigger she looks now than she does in the summertime when she looks a lot skinnier and, well, not quite as large as she does here. And Opi, our male, who's hiding behind this log here, is no different. He too, of course, getting that large coat of fur. And when you're here at the zoo, you might have a good shot of seeing these guys in the wintertime. Obviously, the colder temperatures, our animals are going to be a little bit more active because it's not as uncomfortable as the summertime, of course, is. As we all know, the heat can get to us all, myself included, and of course, Fierca is no different. So guys, she just made a call. I don't know if you heard that. I am Jeff the Nature Guy. I look forward to seeing you here at the zoo to see Fierca and Opi in their big old winter coats.